Moving on to Manipur, on the occasion of World Youth Skills Day and 5th anniversary of Skill India Mission, National Skill Training Institute (NSTI) was inaugurated in Manipur recently. Speaking on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the biggest strength of the millennials is the ability to get skilled. A report.
यानी खुद को रीस्किल किया.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that skill, reskilling and upskilling is the only way to remain relevant in the ever-changing market scenario. He made the comments while speaking at the Digital Conclave on the occasion of World Youth Skills Day in New Delhi.
आज भारत में नॉलेज और स्किल दोनों में जो अंतर है उसे समझते हुए ही काम हो रहा है. आज से 5 साल पहले आज के ही दिन स्किल इंडिया मिशन इसी सोच के साथ शुरू किया गया था. इसका मकसद यही था कि यूथ को नॉलेज के साथ ही स्किल भी मिले, कौशल भी मिले. इसके लिए देश भर में सैकड़ों प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास केंद्र खोले गए, ITIs की संख्या बढ़ाई गई, उनमें लाखों नई सीट्स जोड़ी गई. इस दौरान 5 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोगों को स्किल डेवलपमेंट किया जा चुका है और ये अभियान निरंतर जारी है.
On the occasion of World Youth Skills Day and 5th anniversary of Skill India Mission, National Skill Training Institute was inaugurated via video conference at the campus of Government ITI Takhel in Manipur. The NSTI will facilitate training in the Crafts Instructor Training Scheme trades of motor mechanic vehicle, carpentry and electrician by making use of existing infrastructure and equipment in the ITI for the benefit of ITI passed outs in the Northeast region. New NSTI meets future demand to the existing 21,768 CITS trained instructors of 17,683 and 4,085 in both engineering and non-engineering trades respectively in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. During the Digital Conclave, Minister Labour and Employment Dr. Thokcham Radheshyam expressed his gratitude to Dr. Mahendranath Pandey for his consent to set up a new NSTI in land measuring about 12 acres at Hairok village, Thoubal district, which is a part of an educational and skill hub identified by Manipur government.
In Manipur, for the ITIs to the instructors, for the instructors, we have to have some kind of training to upskill the and also to provide the latest according to the demand of the market, the skilling of the young minds. So for that, in the whole country, there are only 31 training institutes. We call it NSTI, National Skill Training Institute. So in the entire Northeast, we have only 2 such institutions. That is, one is in Tura in Meghalaya, second one is in Tripura, Agartala in Tripura. These are all for women instructors. But in Manipur, the Honorable Minister had granted, when I attended a meeting in 2019 on 27 July in Assam, I requested and he accepted and it was sanctioned. Now just to begin with, we have inaugurated the center here, Extension Center.
This new NSTI will produce vocational instructors and facilitate short-term training courses as 117 engineering trades are being taught at CTS level in the Northeast region. It is to cater to the needs of rural target groups among 70% rural population in the state by conducting employment-oriented courses.